routine day followed by a bomb blast. This is a scene from a theater play called War Dracula in Kabul. The play showcases the tragic aftermath of a suicide attack. And according to the Afghan National Theater's director Saeed Mansour Rahmani, Afghans have been living in fear for decades.
It has been nearly half a century. Our people are tired of war. This current generation was born in war, and we do not want them to be killed in war.
While civilian deaths make headlines after a bomb blast, more often than not, injured people's lives drastically change as well. Some become disabled, and the play also focuses on them.
We have to unite and come together so that we can stand against the enemy. If we are not united, enemy would misuse us in different ways.
Actors like Layla Hamdard say it isn't hard to portray the roles of people who have lost loved ones, since most Afghans share that feeling.
Mothers who lose their children, women who lose their brothers and fathers. I would feel that while acting because most of us here have lost someone.
The goal of the play is to promote unity among different ethnicities in Afghanistan in hopes of a peaceful tomorrow. For Hasib Maududi in Kabul, Afghanistan, Bejan Hamdard, VOA News.
My name is Jasmine Burton, and I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm passionate about toilets, which is kind of a strange thing, but I learned when I was a freshman at Georgia Tech that nearly half the world doesn't have access to hygienic sanitation, and that disproportionately hinders the livelihoods of women and girls.
According to the World Health Organization, 68% of the world's population have only minimum access to basic sanitation. Jasmine Burton decided she could do something to help solve this global sanitation problem. 3 years later, Wish for Wash was born.
Wish for Wash came out of a Georgia Tech senior design project. It was an interdisciplinary class where designers and engineers worked together to create a product, and for us it was this opportunity to create a modular toilet for a refugee camp in northern Kenya called Kakuma. And from there we were invited to participate in the Georgia Tech Inventure Prize competition, which is the largest undergraduate invention competition in the U.S. We won.
The team's toilet is called Safichu, or clean toilet in Swahili.
What I think is novel about it is the fact that it is modular, so it is a sit toilet. It can be used as a squat toilet. It can be used as a compost toilet, so it's self-contained, or it can have a component on the inside that makes it into a pour flush unit, so you can pour your own amount of water if you don't have access to running water. So the idea is it can be modular, and it can kind of meet the needs of the community based on where they are.
The company attracted the help of Tanvi Suresh, who designs consumer-oriented products and is training volunteer students how to conduct research and development.
Being an engineer, so you need to actually understand what the person wants. That's our whole human design-centered thinking, and that's also engaging different people of all ages and different skills and understanding sanitation, something that they might not have thought a lot about in their prior experiences.
This $50 portable toilet is made from durable plastic material and has been tested in Zambia for over a year. Safichu is also being used by refugee farmer communities around the Atlanta region.
In some of these farming communities or gardening communities, there's kind of more remote, so people will have to walk 10, 15 minutes beyond kind of their farming area to go to the restroom, which encourages people to go to the bathroom in the woods, which leads to health problems if you're actually gardening or farming there. And so it's like, if you have something that's available on the property, the community has expressed interest in, and so that's what we were helping.
The group raises money and awareness through merchandise and coloring books for children, available on the Wish for Wash website. From Atlanta, Georgia, Ariadne Budianto, VOA News.